morning everyone and welcome back. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. So let's start with the news of cryptocurrency exchanges in India. So they have started sending out notification yesterday to all their users saying that we are no more going to be supporting any rupees withdrawal or deposit. And one of the notice that I actually saw from ZipPay was quite interesting. The ZipPay's notice was that we are freezing withdrawal and deposits of INR. But however, whatever rupees you have into the ZipPay wallet, you can still use that to buy cryptocurrencies. The only thing, and vice versa, you can also sell cryptocurrencies and convert that into INR, into rupees. The only difference is you will not be able to withdraw that rupees back into your bank account, and also you will not be able to deposit more rupees into that ZipPay wallet. So what it looks like to me is more of a USDT tether, a digital rupees that it's just digital. You can't take it out into any of your bank account. So that was interesting. And also Uno Coin, if you look at the Uno Coin Twitter, this is about 15 minutes back. Let me see. See, this was about 1 hour back. They tweeted this something on Unidax. So they're saying Unidax is introducing 17 crypto to crypto trading pairs today with 3 base coins, that is BTC, Ethereum, XRP. So you can trade 17 cryptocurrencies with BTC pairs, Ethereum pairs, and XRP pairs. So what interesting that I found really is that even though these exchanges are not going to have the INR support, the rupee support from the bank, but they very well intend to continue with the crypto to crypto trading. Well, it's a different matter. I mean, there can be an argument that whether this is a great formula, whether they should be continuing it. But what I believe is that they are just waiting for the right time, as and when the regulators actually give a green signal for the INR deposits and withdrawal, they will again start the whole business of INR deposits and withdrawal once again. But in the meantime, because there's no point actually shutting down the businesses, right? So they will continue with the crypto to crypto trading. And it is also a very good signal that, you know what, the crypto to crypto trading has not been banned in India. It's just the INR and crypto conversion through a bank which is being stopped. So this is very interesting. And one of the thing that I really want to understand from you, because this is something that BitBNS actually posted on their blog recently, that BitBNS said that, you know what, we are actually not freezing any withdrawals or deposit. This was in the blog of 25th of June. So I'm quite curious to know as to what exactly are they doing. Are they still allowing people to deposit more fiat money, more INR, or have anyone got the notification from BitBNS? So if you're a BitBNS user, definitely would love to hear that if you have got any notification from BitBNS about this incident, or are they operating as normal? I mean, I don't think that would be possible, because even they are situated in India and they also have to have a bank account, and I don't see any way they can still operate. So this is the news from all the cryptocurrency exchanges out here in India. Let's come back to a very interesting report that has come out from the European Parliament. And European Parliament actually went on to say, so they had a report which is about 33 page of report. This is a virtual currency and central bank monetary policy challenged ahead. This came out in July. This is a 33 page report. And what were the findings? Let's go ahead and find out what were the findings of this report. So the first thing that they have to say is that none of the regulators around the globe should try to ban cryptocurrencies, which is quite opposite of what's happening in India. They said the regulators should not be banning cryptocurrency, and they should also not be ignoring cryptocurrencies. What is interesting also is that they said that the cryptocurrency are not threat to the fiat money, to the central money. Over here, as you can see, it says that the monetary dominance of major central banks and major currencies seems to remain unchallenged in the near future. That means dollar is not under threat, INR is not under threat, yuan is not, all these fiat cryptocurrencies are not under threat because of cryptocurrencies. That is something that I found a little something that I wouldn't agree completely. Maybe not at this stage, but I think in the future there is definitely a challenge for the fiat currencies. In the other case, they also said that in extreme cases such as during periods of hyperinflation like Venezuela, Zimbabwe, we see the period of hyperinflation where people are using cryptocurrencies. So this statement is quite true for that during hyperinflation, financial crisis, political turmoil, or war, they can become the means of currency substitutions in individual economies, which is very true, because there is always a currency war that you see, the China, the US dollar, the Chinese dollar, and especially in the case of the war, when the currency of a country really goes under crisis, it's the cryptocurrency, it's the Bitcoin, Ether that you can actually rely on, in my opinion. And again, this is not a financial or investment advice, I'm just sharing my opinion on this. So one of the last thing that they also mentioned is, which is in terms of adoption. So it looks like they really understood the depth of the cryptocurrencies, which I'm quite happy to know about, right? So, and they are the regulators, right? So this is coming out from the European Parliament itself. So they say that as long as major trading platforms and financial intermediaries do not accept virtual currencies in their transactional role, will remain limited, and they will fulfill mainly the third functions of the money, which is called store of value. So directly they are talking about the adoption. If you don't have enough of people accepting cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, then it will be only treated as a store of value. So that's quite interesting to me. So definitely let me know, what do you think about the cryptocurrency exchanges future in India? Do you think they are quite positive that they will reopen the market very soon for all the investors and cryptocurrency traders here in India? Join the Telegram if you've not done so. Check out the Twitter handle. There is a lot of posts, there's a lot of developments happening rapidly into the space, and I would love to hear your opinion on that. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like or a dislike, and I'll see you next time.